Today we're talking bug control. What's up guys, I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. I'll be mixing 3 products in my backpack today. Talak will be the bug killer. Active ingredient is bifenthrin. And then I have 2 Humic products. You don't have to use 2 separate Humic products. It's just my Green Envy was almost out, so I figured I'd go ahead and finish it off. It also has some fulvic acid in it. And then 𝘼𝙢𝙬 from Simple Lawn Solutions. I'm combining my bug control and Humic products into a single application because both are going to be focused on the soil as opposed to the plant itself. And if you're not familiar with humic acid and how it works, basically within your soil, you have nutrients that are already there that are inaccessible to the roots of your grass, but humic acid actually latches onto some of those nutrients and makes them accessible. Because this is a soil app, we want larger water droplets, so I'll be opting for this T-Jet tip. If we were to make a foliar application, I would switch over to this one, which gives me a finer mist, and I'll have a link to both of them in the description box below the video. Before the demo, let's have a little 2-week post-scalp update. So here is the front lawn. Last week we were probably 50 or 60% green. This week I would say we're probably 70-75% green. So we still have a ways to go, but it's coming along nicely. And here's the side yard. Again, this yellow area, I verticut, that's why it's lagging behind. But the areas that were just scalped are pretty green. Let me go ahead and show you a little up-close image. In the backyard, I would say we're closer to a 90% green up. We have a couple of areas lagging right here along the fence line, and then along the house right there. And then of course we have a few dog pee spots as well. Your application size is going to depend on 2 things, which is your lawn size and then the application rate that's listed on the label, usually in terms of product per 1,000 square feet of lawn. My lawn size is just over 4,000 square feet. And then the heavy rate for Talak is 1 ounce per 1,000 square feet of lawn. So I'll use just over 4 ounces of Talak. For 𝘼𝙢𝙬, it is 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I'll use about 12 ounces there. And then for Green Envy, it's 4 ounces per 1,000. So I'll use around 16 ounces. Before you apply, you've got to get everything in your backpack sprayer. So the first thing I do is fill it up about halfway with water. And then you'll measure out your products. For liquids, I use a 16-ounce measuring cup that I picked up from Ewing. If it's for a smaller application like plant growth regulator, then I have a 1-ounce measuring cup. And then once everything is into the backpack sprayer, I give it a good mix. I have a drill with a 5-gallon paint mixer attachment. So I mix it up, and then I'll top it off with water, and then I'll mix it up some more. The amount of water you need can vary, but I would say a general rule of thumb would be about 1 gallon per 1,000 square feet of lawn. And if you want to take some of the guesswork out of your lawn care routine, visit lawninsider.com. I have some great free resources there, including the Bermuda grass calendar. That's going to cover cultural practices, product recommendations, and product applications. And you can even choose your level from beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So I've got my backpack sprayer tank filled up halfway with water. Now we're going to mix in the products. We'll start out with the Talak, and it actually has the measuring cup at the top, at least of the gallon jug. So I've got just over 4 ounces here. Mix that in. And we'll move on here to the 𝘼𝙢𝙬. 𝘼𝙢𝙬 was 12 ounces. 𝘼𝙢𝙬 and Green Envy, anything with humic in it is going to be very, very dark. So definitely, I wouldn't wear anything that you're super attached to, because if it gets on there, it might stain a little bit. And then Green Envy, I'll shake this one up a little bit more because it's even thicker, but it is 12 ounces of this product. So we're basically filling it to the brim. And I do like to run my hose in there just to get out any extra product because we don't like to waste anything. But the next step would be to take my drill and go ahead and mix this up. And now we've got to fill it up the rest of the way with water. So I'm going to have about 4 total gallons of solution in my spray tank. Okay, we topped her off. Now we're going to give it another mix. Put the lid back on. Make sure we're not cross-threaded. There we go. Turn her on. And now we're ready to apply. I did want to cover a couple more things about this treatment. First off, to get all the product into the soil and washed off the grass blades, I did run my irrigation system later that evening, and I put down about 1/4 inch of water. The second thing I wanted to mention is while the lawn is still wet following your application, you want to make sure to keep your pets and children off the grass, and once everything's dry again, you're good to go. I think I snuck that treatment in just in the nick of time. The sun is setting, so I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up right here. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content and you want to continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider, out.